going on YouTube? I'm back here with another video today. I just picked up a few parts from Summit Racing. I'm rebuilding the rear end in my 96 Impala SS, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have for it. So I have an Auburn limited slip rear carrier with a 308 gear ratio, and here I have a ring and pinion installation kit, and then I also have 308 gears, a ring and pinion right here. And these are brand new axles, Summit Racing axles right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, let you guys check them out. Alright, we got the Auburn rear carrier, limited slip differential. Here's a part number for that. Limited slip diff. It's a 30 spline, 10 bolt, 8.5 inch rear end. Alright, give me 1 second to get this thing out the box. Alright, we got the instructions right here. Limited slip differential instructions. And we have the friction additive also, comes with it. Alright, let me get 1 second to get this out of the box for you. Alright, we got our 30 on there for 30 spline. Those spider gears. I could have went with a bigger gear than a 308. The reason I chose a 308 is for my driving, the way I drive, because I use the car, or I'm gonna be using it as a daily driver, and I didn't want to put 342s or 373 gears in it just because of fuel consumption and stuff. And I didn't want to be riding daily at 70 miles per hour and the RPMs are revved up, you know, pretty high RPMs. So that's why I went ahead and chose the 308s. I actually like the 308 gears. I have a 2006 Dodge Charger RT with a 5.7 liter Hemi in it, making 340 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. And its stock gears are only 282s, so 308s, for me, they'll get the job done. Even the SRT8 Chargers with a 6.1 liter Hemi V8, those only have 306 gears stock, so a 308 ain't bad at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this carrier back in the box and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys the rest of it. Alright, so we got the ring and pinion installation kit here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. As you can see, we got everything we need in here for the install. We got our races, our shims, bolts for the diff, bearings. We got all of the shims right here. Our paint for setting our backlash. So it's all here. Alright, and here's our new ring and pinion gears. Instructions right here. Got our new ring and pinion there. And it's a 308. Alright, and here's our brand new Richmond axle.